Attention residents of Allen, Texas, and the surrounding areas. Are you facing HVAC troubles? Frequent electric control malfunctions can result in total system failure. From deteriorating compressors to fan control glitches, the core of your comfort setup demands skilled attention. Reach out to us promptly at 844-212-0011 for swift HVAC repairs, ensuring consistent comfort throughout the seasons. Our proficient team stands ready to revive your system's performance and dependability. Dial 844-212-0011 now and allow our specialists to assess your HVAC unit for optimal functionality. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to assist you.